Why would anyone put up a dust barrier using tape, 2x4s, and staples? It's difficult, it often doesn't stay up, and it can end up costing you plenty in unexpected repairs at the end of a job. Now there's a better way. It's called Zipwall, and it's the only temporary dust control barrier that makes site cleanup fast and easy for contractors, maintenance crews, and do-it-yourselfers. In fact, it's so easy you can set up a 20-foot-long dust barrier by yourself in minutes. Try that with tape and strapping. The Zipwall system consists of a spring-loaded twist-locking pole and a two-piece head assembly. The top plate of the head has a soft, non-skid and non-marking surface that grabs the ceiling like magic, while pegs on the back side of the plate grab the plastic sheeting and lock it in place at the top of the pole. The pivoting head adds flexibility by letting you use Zipwall on jobs with vaulted ceilings, in stairwells, or anywhere there are angled surfaces you need to see. Here's how easy it is to use Zipwall. First, slide the locking plate to release it. Place the plastic sheeting or lightweight cloth over the head. Then, push and slide the locking plate back into position to clamp the sheeting to the pole. Raise the telescoping pole, compressing the spring-loaded end against the ceiling. Now, twist to lock the pole in place. Set the next pole up to 8 to 10 feet from the first pole, stretching the plastic sheeting tightly across the ceiling. Now, after all the poles are in position, just lift and tuck the sheeting under each pole. If the flooring is a smooth surface or you have airflow pushing against the sheeting, use a grip disc under the pole to keep it from sliding across the floor. Finish the barrier by fully compressing the springs on all poles. You've just created a tight dust barrier top to bottom. Zipwall is also great for jobs with drop ceilings. Just raise the pole until the head firmly contacts the T-bar of the drop ceiling. Then, follow the T-bar until you've sectioned off your work area. Zipwall's pivoting head is ideal for jobs where you have angled surfaces to seal off, like vaulted ceilings or stairwells. Zipwall works just about anywhere. If you have a job with a high ceiling, Zipwall poles come in extra long 20-foot lengths. You can section off an area quickly and easily without the expense and inconvenience of scaffolding or a hydraulic lift. There's a lot more you can do with Zipwall twist-locking poles. Use them to hold sheetrock in position or tile in place until it dries. Zipwall poles can even hold crown molding while you work. The possibilities are endless. Here's a tip if you have a small but dusty job to do. All you need is the Zipwall system and a vacuum cleaner with a good filter. After setting up your Zipwall dust barrier, you just slit the plastic and insert the hose. Then tape the sheeting around the hose and turn on the vacuum cleaner. Now you can work in a protected space while the vacuum cleaner collects the dust. When you need the tightest seal possible, use our new Tight Seal accessories. They gently push the barrier against the ceiling and wall for a tape-free dust-tight seal, without causing damage. Start by setting up a Zipwall dust barrier as you normally would. Then take another Zipwall pole, remove the standard head, and install the T-clip and foam rail assembly. Raise the pole and press the foam rail against the material at the ceiling. Repeat this along the entire ceiling for a tape-free dust-tight seal. You can overlap the foam rails so they fit any length exactly. What about the walls? Use the Zipwall side pack to create a tight seal. It comes with a bag, 6 side clamps, and 6 3-foot foam rails. Here's how to seal a wall in no time. Once you have the Zipwall barrier system in place, use the side clamp and foam rail to press the extra material against the wall. Start by attaching a foam rail to the side clamp. Squeeze the clamp to open it and place the foam rail between the pole and the wall. Release the pressure and the rubber end grabs the pole, pushing the extra sheeting tightly against the wall. Because you need easy access to the work area, you need the Zipwall heavy-duty zipper. It's easier than ever to install. Just remove the paper backing and apply the zipper to the plastic sheeting. Be sure the pull is at the floor so that it unzips as you pull up. Next, you open the zipper and cut the plastic using the exclusive Zipwall zipper knife. This special knife double cuts the plastic sheeting, leaving a 3/4 inch slot that lets you open the zipper without jamming. Zipwall zippers are the smart and simple way to gain worksite access while keeping the dust inside. This zipper is great for use in temporary interior barriers where the temperature doesn't go below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with 2 zippers and 2 ties per box. The zipper knife that comes with the heavy-duty zipper does not work with the standard zipper. To install this zipper, unroll it and determine its placement. Be sure the pull is at the floor and that the end of the zipper is below where the plastic bends. Then, starting at the top, peel the backing off the zipper and press it firmly onto the sheeting as you go. When the zipper is in place, carefully open it, making sure to keep the adhesive in contact with the plastic. With a razor knife, cut the opening using the teeth as a guide. Now with the zipper open, use your thumb and forefinger to press the plastic and the zipper together for a solid bond. Looking for a better way to section off a workspace or create a temporary barricade? Now you can alert workers and building occupants to hazards with the new Zipwall caution tape reel system. The system includes a clamp-on reel, caution tape, and clips. It's easy to use and adds that professional look by keeping the tape flat and upright. Start by setting your Zipwall poles in place. Then, simply clamp the reel to the pole at the desired height and pull the caution tape out and around the poles. The tape clips snap onto the poles and are slotted so the tape can be threaded from pole to pole. On the last pole, the tape clip secures the tape with a simple snap. You can use the caution tape reel system with or without a plastic barrier. When the job is done, reel the tape back in and use it over again. The caution tape reel is available 2 ways. If you already own a Zipwall system, you can buy the caution tape reel pack. It includes a 300-foot roll of caution tape, the caution tape reel, and 6 tape clips. Or you can buy the facility pack, which includes everything you need, plus 6 complete 12-foot Zipwall poles and a handy carrying bag. You can even use this system with 1,000-foot rolls. The Zipwall caution tape reel is a great way to help ensure safety at the worksite. Zipwall is so good, it has received rave reviews from the editors of the top industry magazines. It was named Editor's Choice by Tools of the Trade magazine. This Old House magazine called it the next best thing to a hermetically sealed work area. Remodeling magazine said Zipwall products can save contractors hundreds of hours. And the readers of Building Products magazine gave the Zipwall system the 2006 Reader's Choice Award. Save time, save money, and be professional. Put the Zipwall barrier system to work on your next job.